Hi dear customers, today we'd like to recommend some waterproof zipper for you. For waterproof zipper, normally they have a three model: PU waterproof zipper, TPU waterproof zipper, and PVC waterproof zipper. Now in the fair, we show just PU waterproof zipper and the TPU. Because for the PVC, the PVC fill will go out easily from the zipper. So in Luxury fair, we don't show that one because in Luxury, the weather is very cold in the winter. So it's not good for Luxury market with the PVC fill. You can see this is the PU. The filling is a similar leather, and this is the TPU. It looks matte, okay? And for the PU, we also have two models. One model is that you can see the teeth, this side teeth more clearly. Other model is you cannot see it clearly, okay? So if the zipper with PU and cannot see the teeth clearly, the price will be a little higher than the zipper which you can see the teeth, okay? And you can see here have many models with different printing leather and have a single color and a double color. For the leather, we can make it according to your requirement. You can send the drawing which you made to us, then we can make it according to your requested. And we also have a different other model. For example, with this one, different one, okay? And we also have the shining light. Because our luggage is too heavy, so I didn't take many samples to here. But we have many models for your choosing. If you are interested for the waterproof zipper to make the shoes or make the clothes, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.